I've rebedded. I just want to say thank you. All right, round 3 of bedding, but they're calling for another chance of snow tomorrow evening. So let me show you what I've done. After my little rant and pity party yesterday, I decided I would do rebed, and that's all I can do. So let me show you what I've done too. I've rebedded all the barns, but we'll show you the main barn first. First thing is I took an IBC tote that I had used at one time for, let me get this fixed here. I'd used it at one time for pig huts, and so I have cut it down. I got plenty of room to get in there, plenty of straw. I've bedded the top of it. I've bedded behind it, and I had this bale right here that's extra. I just stacked it on there. And I'm thinking that this here will do 2 things. It will give a little bit of wind protection if it blows in through the front of this stall here, for some of the moms to lay in here as well. Knock a little bit of wind off. Got this really full. Let's go look at the other ones. So I have bedded all of them. The straw had a few of the wheat heads or whatever rye heads on them, and that's what these goats are eating on. But really heavy bedding in here as well. You can see, got them bedded down good. Another big heavy bedding of straw in here. And then lastly, these two stalls back here. Another good heavy bedded straw in here. Got the protein tub in the back turned up on the end so the goats can't walk in it. Everybody looks a lot better today. Has been a little bit warmer, got up to about 38. But really, that's as high as it's supposed to be for the next, I don't know, maybe till next Thursday, start to get in the 40s. So yesterday, after the loss of that one and the storm coming in, only thing I can do is just continue to try to give them good bedding, continue to try to give them a warm place to lay, a little bit of dryness, and I think those little huts here, I think these little huts actually knock some wind off, plus if 3 or 4 or 5 of them get in there, it will actually hold some heat, especially with the straw and stuff on top of it. Stuff some straw in behind it where the wind, if it blows up against it, excuse me, will be just a little bit of insulation in the back behind each of those. So bedded good inside. Hey, might not work, might be a great plan, but it's a plan for today and we're going to roll with it. So, all right, we got one in the barn. She had kids just the day before the storm came in, so we just left her in there. She had a set of triplets. Let's go in and feed them, feed these group here, and then go to the next farm and check on everybody. We've got straw out new over there, which we actually had hay bales in the barn and they're pulling it out. They've got plenty of bedding in there. They actually have some of the little purple tubs, the Purina tubs, that I've got set up around that they're using really good. I just didn't have any of that here. Don't know why, just wasn't thinking, I guess. I thought with all the shelters we'd be good. And we have been. We've lost one baby over here, which was here in this corner. I'm really thinking it got laid on, and then we lost that adult yesterday. I'm just not sure why a 2-year-old would be in the shelter and pass. But anyhow, can't, as they say, cry over spilled milk. We just got to keep moving forward. Also, I just want to say thank you to everybody that sent a little word of encouragement to me last night. It's unbelievable the community that we have, the farming and ranching, goat, whatever, livestock community. Thank you for just a little bit of encouragement. Sometimes it just makes all the difference in the world. All right, let's get at it.